Hi everybody, Miss Rachel from Farmingdale Public Library here, and today we had a campfire story time. Well, in order to have our indoor campfire, our pretend campfire, we're going to need to make one. So, for this craft, what I did was I glued some sticks and twigs onto a piece of white construction paper. I then cut out some squares of orange and red and yellow construction paper, but if you don't have construction paper, you can take a white piece of printer paper, color the whole thing, and then cut it into little squares, or you could also use crumpled up tissue paper in those colors. I also made a pretend tent for a Beanie Baby, so my bear fits inside this tent when I put it down on the table. For this activity, what I did was I took a piece of printer paper, I decorated it with some stars and some X's and some polka dots, glued down 4 popsicle sticks, so 1, 2, 3, 4. When you fold the tent in half, I left a little bit of room at the bottom for some lips to fold over it. This way the tent sits nice and flat on a table, but if you can make it stand up without folding those lips, even better. The popsicle sticks make it strong so that your tent doesn't fall in and collapse on your stuffed animal, and the folding of the lips on the bottom gives it a little bit of a floor. So now my bear can go and hibernate in the tent. And what would a campfire be without some snacks and some songs? Well, if you're inside today, you could also try building a blanket fort. There are some directions for how to do that in the description below. Please feel free to take a picture and send us that picture. And also in the description below the video is links to some tasty recipes that you can make over an open fire or inside in the oven if you don't have a barbecue or a fire pit. So there's some recipes for some tasty kebabs and some marshmallows that you can cook inside of an ice cream cone. So they melt and it's half like a cookie and half like a s'more. It's really good. So we've got our snacks, we've got our fort, we've got our fire. Before we say goodnight, why don't we sing a song? My favorite camp out song is an old classic called Home on the Range. So for this one, I'm going to need your help. Let's get our fingers ready, and it goes something like this. So first we've got our range. Home on the range. Get our animals ready. The deer and the antelope play. And where seldom is heard a discouraging word. Discouraging means sad. And the skies are not cloudy all day. So let's get some sunshine out. Try it with me. One more time. Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play. Where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Well, thank you for coming with me tonight to our indoor campfire. I hope you had a good time pretending to be outside in the great outdoors with us. And I hope to see you again soon in some of our other programs. Have a great day, everybody.